This is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. And it is a really cool car, and we're going to take a look at it. It is a 62nd annual Indianapolis 500 pace car from May 28th, 1978. Official pace car, really cool. 25th anniversary, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. We're going to take a look at it today. Really nice car. Hard to find them. Paint body's not perfect on it. It is just a driver car, but it's a great car to get in and go to the show and enjoy. It's got a little small block 350, power steering and power disc brakes on it. Interior's in real good shape. It is an L82 car. Interior's in great shape. It's got power windows. They both work. It does have power door locks and they work as well. It's got the T-tops. T-top bags are in there as well. I'm going to shut the door. He's going to start it up for us. Yeah, T-tops are in good shape, not scratched up or dinged up where they've been taking them in and out. Got the key. We'll take a look underneath the hood here. Shut the door. All the lights go up and down with the vacuum as well. Like I said, little small block 350. Power steering and power disc brakes. It does have factory air as well. Show you the other side of the motor here. Other side, I'm gonna shut the hood here. He's gonna help me. Takes, if you're on the other side, you can get it. Show you there. Just pull it down just like that. Easy enough. Shut the hood. Take one more quick look at it. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. Sorry, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. All right, we're going to take it for a test drive and see how she does. We're going to take this Corvette for a test drive and see how it does. 621-5572. All right, here's the underneath.